that there's a ton of people that would even self-identify as super progressive, super conscious culture that are they're actually in just fucking elaborate denial right now. And they're doing their cacao ceremonies, sound baths, psychedelic trips, Burning Man, transformational festivals, you name it, they're doing it. And they're pursuing the joy on this side of the grief.
Yep.
Right? Not getting through all the complexity and all the grieving and then coming out as basically Gnostic warriors. Right? Which is, we need samurai right now. We need the person who has meditated on the 1,000 ways they could die. So they are free from fear and can face it courageously. And so when we go through those three things, those three steps of operating system, kill your sacred cows, digest your grief, show the fuck up, I realized that there's this unique thing where there's like 3 generations of humans only ever, in only a tiny but concentrated and influential portion of the world, period, that is ever subject to our specific pathologies. And it's basically baby boomers, Gen Xers, and millennials in the developed West. So the folks that have basically, if you think back to our grandparents' generation, or I was even just listening to Gabor Mate, right? I mean, Gabor Mate was being interviewed by Tim Ferriss. And he was describing being born in 1944 in Budapest and what that was like with the Nazis actually still hunting Jews then. And then crazy right-wing dictatorships and the Russians, and like, that was his experience. My father, as a kid, was full like Chronicles of Narnia, man. They were hiding under their kitchen table during the London Blitz, and then got shipped off to a boarding school in Scotland that had had frozen water in the wash basins in the morning. You're like, that's one generation back from many of our families. So it's really only boomers, Xers, millennials that have been raised in the sense of you can have anything you want. Everybody can grow up to be president. Every family, the kids live in bigger and better lives of opulence and material comfort. And the world, the only problem to solve is kind of our bourgeois, neurotic unease. That's it.